Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp. So just as a reminder of what we've done before, to use jQuery and Java, which is a JavaScript language, which is a library for JavaScript, is that we need to add the script tag if we're going to write it in the HTML. And then after that, we need the document ready function to make sure that it's loaded. The document is loaded before we write any functions. And this is just a starter template you need. And after that, we wrote the function to add the button class for every button elements we see here. We're going to add the class animate and bounce. And so that's how we selected an element. But we can also select classes. And to do that, we use the syntax of dot and then the name of the class. So for this one, we're going to look at the well class. So we can look at the HTML, and let me expand it. We see we have the class here and here for the different containers. And now we want to add a class to it. And this period is also important to note because the period indicates that it's a class. And then you do the method add class, and then you add the classes animated and shake. And just remember, classes, you just need a space and it goes to the library, the animate.css library that they already added, freeCodeCamp already added for us. So we want to do that for this exercise of adding the well with the class animated and shake. So we go to a script tag and we have to make sure it's inside of this document.ready function, but after this one. And then so you go here and then you do $, parentheses, quotations, dot well. And now we do add class. And now the different class we're adding is animated and then space shake. And we add the semicolon to end the line of code. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.